Good morning, students. Today we start our mathematics 1 lesson number 3, that is polynomials. So what is polynomial and how we identify which algebraic expressions are polynomials? It is very simple. See, if powers are in whole number. See, this is the basic and this is the technique to identify which algebraic expressions we term as polynomials, right? When the powers are whole numbers then we called it polynomials. Understood? So this is the way to find out which algebraic expressions are polynomials. Suppose I take one example. See, so this is our algebraic expressions. Check all powers. See, for x we have 3, that is whole number. So whole numbers start from 0 to infinite numbers. Okay, so whole numbers will start from 1, only positive numbers, not fractions, not negative. So this is called fraction numbers, right? And this is called negative numbers. So avoid. See, x have 3, that is whole number. Here x have power 2, also whole number. X power is 1, so also comes to whole number. And then 3 means power 0, also comes with whole number. Understood? So it is very easy to find out which is polynomial. So this algebraic expression is a polynomial. Understood? So this is very easy to find out. Which numbers are polynomials or not. Understood? We take another example. See, this is the number, right? So this is the second question. Check, identify 0 whole number, 1 whole number, 2 whole number, but here -4, not whole number. My whole numbers were starting from 0 to infinite level, right? So -4 is not a whole number, and that's why this algebraic expression, this algebraic expression is not a polynomial because one variable power is -4, not a whole number. If you ask to write the reason, after that you have to write down such like. Okay, so these are the numbers. Write down. See, next topic is types of polynomials. Number 1, monomial. In monomial only consists one polynomial or one algebraic expression. Suppose I write this. So this is our monomial. I write this number. This also our monomial. Or x square, 3m cube. These all are our monomial. Second is binomial. Binomial means 2. Bino means 2. Let's check out example. See, x plus 3. 1, 2. 2, then it is binomial. Like, okay, this is also binomial. And next one, this is also binomial. Third one, trinomial. Third one, trinomial. Tri means 3. Tri means 3. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 variable, 3 expressions. Then it is called trinomial. Next one, this also trinomial, right? Next, see, how many? 1, 2, 3. Do not look out for powers, okay? Index. We have to check out only which type. So 1, 2, 3. There are 3 values are there, then it is called trinomial. Here also consists 3, here also consists 3. So these are the 3 types of polynomial, that is monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay? So write down. So next we have to find degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial means highest value of index, that is power. See, so first number is, or first question is 2y. Check out the values for y. For only y we consist 1. We take 1. So we have to write down answer, that is degree of the polynomial 2y is 1. Okay, so let's take another example. Root 3. Value root 3. See, write down. See, we have to find out degree. So here root 3, right? Here, so root 3 means x value is 0. So only number consists always degree 0. So our degree of the polynomial root 3 is 0. Now let's take another example. See, check out first all variables indexes or powers. See, this is the first and this is the second. Okay. For 7 we have 0 power. Only number, so always only number consists power 0. For this we have 10 power. So this is the highest degree. So degree of the polynomial is 10. How much? 10. Understood? So write down. Let's check out another example. See, sum of power of x, y and z. See, for x 1, for y 1 and for z 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Right? For xy 1 plus 1, that is 2, and z, that is 1. Right? So maximum power is 3. Right? So 3 consists for x plus y plus z. So therefore degree of the polynomial xyz plus xy minus z is equal to, is 3. Understood? So next question. See, next question. M cube n raised to 7 minus 3m raised to 5n plus mn. So let's check out one by one. For this, m cube n 7, right? Here power is 3 and here power is 7. So addition is 10. Okay? For here, see, for m power is 5 and for n power is 1. So addition is 6. For this, both consist power 1 1. That's why 1 plus 1, that is 2. Understood? So highest power is 10. So therefore degree of the polynomial, so write down polynomial full, m cube n7 minus 3m raised to 5n plus mn is 10. Understood? So write down. So our next question is, write the following polynomial in standard form. Means we have to arrange in a proper power sequence. Power sequence means higher power to the lower 0 power. Okay, so write first question. So that first question is m cube plus m plus 5n square. Okay, so see, wait. So you have to write down question first. Okay, then arrange in standard form. Arrange in standard form. So check out highest power or highest index. So highest index is m cube. So write down first. So see, arrange in serial order na. So after 3 we have 2, then 1, then 0. Okay. So check out for second 2 power 5m square, that is 2. So write down 5m square with sign. Then see 3, 2, then 1 plus m. So this is our standard form. So arrange in a standard form. Understood? See, let's check out another example. See. First of all, we have to write down question, then arrange in standard form. Understood? So arrange in standard form. So we have to arrange this. So highest is 5m square. Wait, sign is wrong. See, minus sign is there. So we have to arrange, right? So first of all, write down highest degree, that is with sign minus 5y cube. After that 2, that is 8y square. See, 3, 2. Number consists 0 degree. So 1 is missing. Understood? Power 1 is missing. So for that we write down plus 0y. Then plus 3. So let's check out. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now skip this missing value and write down the answer like this. So this is our final answer for standard form. See, this is our equation. For answer, we have to write down question, right? Then arranging standard form. Arranging standard form. So check out for highest degree. So that is 5. So write down first. After 5 you have to write down 4. So plus x raised to 4. After 4, 3. So 3 this. Minus 2x cube. Keep, remember, you have to write down with signs. Then minus 3x square, then plus 2x, and then minus 10. So this is our standard form. Okay, so write down. our next question is write the following polynomial in coefficient form. So let's take one example. 6m square okay. See, we have to find out our equation is in standard form or not. So see, let's check 2, 0 and 1. So our equation is not in standard form. So we have to arrange first. So write down equation first, then arrange in standard form. Arrange in standard form. So highest degree is square, right? Then m, that is 1, then 0. So our equation is in standard form. Then we have to write down coefficient form. What we have to do? Check out. We have only check their coefficient. We have to check only coefficient. So coefficient is here 6, then comma, plus 3, that is 3, and here minus 6. So write down minus 6. Understood? So we have to write down, after arranging in standard form, we have to write down coefficients, not variables. So second question is x cube minus 4. So first of all we have to write down question, okay. Then see, our equation is not in standard form because 3 is here and 4 means 0. 4 means 0 index or power. So we have to first arrange in standard form. Arrange in standard form. After that we have to arrange our sequence. So x cube, square is missing, so write down plus, always plus. Missing figure you have to write down sign always plus. So then 0x square plus 0x minus 4. Now check 3, 2, 1 and 0. Understood? So coefficient form. See, for x coefficient is 1, here 0, here 0 and here minus 4. So this is our coefficient form. Keep in mind, if numbers are interchanged, so we have to arrange in a standard form. If there is a missing number, there is also we have to write down in for standard form and then in coefficient form. Okay, so write down. So our today topics were over. So homework. Okay, you have to solve 3.1 exercise 3.1 all questions. Okay, so this is your homework. If you have any doubts, we discuss later, but we have to solve 3.1 exercise. Okay, so today lecture is over. Thank you.